Hey guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a little bit of a different kind of tutorial. So I started out wanting to just do a simple look using the NYX Ultimate Brights palette because I had a few requests on Instagram and I thought that would be fun, you know, fun, colorful look. I didn't plan on having it go this crazy, but you'll see in the video about halfway through or something, shit just kind of like hits the fan and I start like not being happy with the performance of the palette or just like the way that I'm executing the look, and so might be a little weird. I think I like stopped talking halfway through because I'm like, fuck, this sucks, like I'm probably not gonna upload it, you know, so sorry in advance if it's a little weird or if I have to do voiceover or something, but I hope you enjoy the look. I hope you want to watch the tutorial. If you don't, that's fine too. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the look anyway. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Let me know what you think of the background. Is it distracting? Is it cute? I've been kind of wanting to have like a cute little space in the background of my videos. I'm kind of obsessed with like these little fairy lights, and I've got some cute little things on the wall, this dream catcher that my sister made that shows the Cadaver logo. How freaking cute is that? And I can change the lights based on my mood. Cute, right? So today we're going with this adorable like turquoisey sea foam color. That's the kind of vibe for this tutorial. I don't know exactly what look I'm gonna do, but I know that I want to use the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I posted on Instagram and asked what colors I should use in my next tutorial, and overwhelmingly was this row right here, the teals. My nail literally almost matches this color perfectly. I'm obsessed. Okay, first let's go ahead and prime the surface. I'm going to use the Veil Sunset Light Primer. Wait, those are still orange. Oh my god. Triggered. I'm triggered. So next I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter drops that I've been enjoying. And we're going to Instagram style pre-highlight the face. Am I centered? I'm distracted by the background now, you guys. This is a flat kabuki style, flat kabuki F80 by Sigma. I recently got a discount code with Sigma. Haven't tried a lot of their products yet, but I received some and I will be telling you guys how I like their stuff. For now, I like this brush. Probably used way too much of that silver shit. Oh, I know. I'll take the excess. I'm a resourceful bitch. Oh yeah, I forgot to even mention, you guys. If you like these earrings, they're new in my boutique. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. I love how they turned out, and it's like a plasticky like mirror silver. And I got that done because a lot of times like the black pentagram earrings that we have, they don't show up like on my black hair. So I got the silver and it's so cute and adorable. Okay, shining to the gods right now. Next, I think I might leave this like that. For foundation, I'm just gonna mix these two together. So this is the Maybelline 24-hour full coverage, and then this is the Dewy Smooth. Kind of too lazy to go get a brush wet or a beauty blender wet, so I'm just gonna use that same brush for the foundation. See how that works. Next, I'm just going to conceal and highlight with the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. I'm noticing that some of that liquid highlighter got in my hairline. Let's just ignore that. So it's literally the middle of the day and there's this owl. I mean, this isn't a new thing. There's an owl or multiple owls. I don't know if they like trade off different days. But there's an owl hooting at all hours of the day somewhere outside my house. Next, we're gonna go ahead and set the face with the RCMA No Color Powder. So we get a little bit on our sponge. slap that under the eyes and anywhere else that you put your concealer. It gets on my clothes every freaking time. Okay, so I'm gonna let the powder sit on my face and absorb a little bit, and just gonna quickly do my brows. If you guys want to see the detailed brow tutorial, I have one from like a year ago. I'll link it below or somewhere, or you can just search on my channel, eyebrows tutorial. For now, I'm just gonna speed through it. I'll still show you everything that I use and how I do it. So, sit tight. Next, since I know the eyes are probably going to be like a little bit more cool toned, I'm going to go in with the Lunatic Contour Book Volume Number 1. And it seems scary to contour with a color like this, but these are like, they have just the right amount of pigmentation so that you don't look like you're actually putting like a dark brown or a gray on your face. It's the perfect cool tone contour palette, you guys. A little pricey, but they sell these as individuals. So the one that I'm using right here is number 10. Throw a little bit under my collarbone while I'm here. Okay, so moving on to the fun part, which is the eyes. First, I'm gonna just blend, make sure all of this creasy foundation and concealer is blended on my eyelids. Gonna prime the eyes using the Ulta Nude Matte Eye Primer. And I kind of just want to jump right in to like light teal seafoam color. So with this technique, you're gonna get better color payoff, but you're gonna have to spend a lot more time blending because we didn't put down any sort of loose powder on top of that sticky base. So it's gonna take a little bit more blending work. You know what, you guys, change your plans. We're just gonna put that all over the lid because I really like this color. Whew. So it's not a super pigmented shadow, but it'll do right now for the base. Okay guys, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm having a little bit of a crisis. Yes, I put on black lipstick because black lipstick, you know, just putting on lipstick makes me feel better. And this eye is looking really, really bad for some reason. Same with my under eyes. I don't know if I'm just like kind of dry today, or I don't know, this palette, this color in the crease, and then that one. I tried putting on the lid and it just looks very bizarre. And there's also a lot of fallout and it's getting all over here. So I was about to just turn the camera off and be like, all right, this is over, but I'm gonna use this opportunity to take this look to the next level and make it really, you know, creative, and we're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix this and we're gonna make it look cool. So here's where we're at right now. Things got a little crazy, but I think we turned it around. I'm kind of into it right now. Forgot I had this stuff. This is like I think I got this at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and it's a clear diamond mascara. I'm gonna try putting it in my brows, because why not? Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Is that cute, or does it just look like eyebrow dandruff? I need to highlight because I forgot to do that before I put the glitter freckles on. So I'm going to use the Moonchild palette, of course. I'm thinking Blue Eyes is going to be what we're going to use today. Hopefully it doesn't disturb the freckles, but I could always put more on if necessary. I'm gonna get a smaller brush now, do a little bit on the tip of the nose, since let's throw that in the inner corner, under the brow bone. Yes, honey. And I'm gonna throw this NYX eyeliner, slide on, glide on, stay on, definitely a turn on waterproof eyeliner. Okay, in the shade Azure. I'm gonna pop that in my waterline. Alright, and I think that's it. I think this is it. Let me know what you guys think of the look in the comments. I like it. I think it's cute. I think it came together. Sorry for getting really quiet in the middle, like halfway through I turned my camera off just because I didn't think it was gonna work out. I didn't think it was looking good. I think this is a great example of the fact that even if something doesn't feel like it's going the right way, or it doesn't look how you want it to look, or like something that you're working on, a project or whatever, maybe it feels weird, it feels you doubting yourself, I encourage you to push through. You know, so it's scary, but the only thing that you know for sure is that if you give up, then you gave up. Nothing really positive can come from that. If you push yourself, then something cool could happen. Kind of like this makeup look right now. So whether it's makeup or anything else, even if it does end up being an epic failure, it's like at least you tried. You feel good about that. I usually do. Anyway, this was a pretty random video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think of the look. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.